Okay, so howdy. Welcome to Cooking with Boss. Alright, so surprise, surprise, we got a cooking video. Now, I know you're thinking, boss, what is up with your look? You look crazy. Got my hair braided, so that, we don't get hair and stuff in there. Nice and braided. Pull back. The sides, I can't do much with it. I gotta hit my barber up, but, quarantine life really is unfortunate. But, we're about to get cooking. We're gonna be cooking beef stew with some rice and possibly some green beans on the side. Think it'll be pretty good. You guys want some? So let's see how I do it, right? So, it's been a hot minute since I recorded in the kitchen, so bear with me. There will be cuts on this video just because I might burn myself. No, I'm joking. I cook all the time. I just don't record in the kitchen that often. But if you guys like what you see, don't forget. Definitely let me know if you want to see more, because I can make it happen for sure. All right. First, let me grab some ingredients in the cabinet. It's up here. It's like right above. You guys can't see. It's just black pepper. Black pepper. Boom. What else do I want? I mean, a little parsley wouldn't kill no one. A little garlic powder. Seasoned salt. Regular salt. Onion powder. So, sad news is, we don't have adobo no more. RIP adobo. We ran out. I went to multiple places. They ain't got none. They ain't got nothing. Disappointed. But we do got sazon, so we are good with that. Oh shit, I'm running low. Last packet. And here I got my beef stew meat lean. That's what it says. They're just basically diced pieces of beef. That's gonna be the main course, really. You guys want to see me? I don't know, clean a potato. Well, I got some dishes to clean too, actually. But clean some dishes, right? You always need a nice clean sink. I'm gonna clean some dishes, cut the potato up. I'm not peeling it. People like to peel it. Man, the skin is the best part of it. That's what my mom used to say, actually. I would actually used to always peel it off. Then I'm like, oh, potato doesn't taste that different with the skin on. Whatever. So we're gonna leave that on. Got some carrots we're gonna chop up. What else? Oh, and the rice. We're gonna make some rice as well. Almost forgot. Can't forget that. Alright. So let's go. Let's get this stuff going. Okay, so when operating with a knife, be careful, be a professional, alright? Don't mess around with it, no joking with it. Anyways, so basically what I want to do with my potato is I want to cut it into cubes. So the best way to do it is don't do thin slices when you're cutting it at all. You kind of want to do some thicker slices, but a lot of them. So, I mean, all right. There we go. Whoa. One of them tried not to jump in. Let me get the carrots. Okay, anyways, we don't have that many carrots. They're baby carrots. They're good though. Carrot can go right in as well. There you go. Might as well throw some seasoning in there, right? Get them all juiced up. Okay, this is starting to feel nice and hot. Go ahead and throw our meat in. Now we are going to throw some seasoning and stuff in there, just bringing them up. They are already cut up, so that's the good part. Now also when I'm cooking this in here, I don't want to cook it all the way through. Like I want to cook it like far enough, like where it's almost edible, but I'm going to throw it with the stew when it's boiling and it's going to cook all the way. Pretty good. Pop the lid on that guy. Alright, so this is already starting to smoke. Ooh. Alright, so remember, don't mix your meat utensils with other products. You don't want to cross-contaminate, alright guys? Be smart about it. Oh yeah, seasoning. Right. I'm just going to throw some salt in here. Get some salt in there. I'm actually going to drop some butter as well. You know, butter it up a bit. It's going to look a little pale, but that's because of where, you know, how I'm cooking it here at first. But the color, it'll come from the stew itself. And yeah, make sure you cook it separately from the stew, because you don't want to bite into the stew after you think or assume it's finished and find raw pieces. You want to cook the meat first separately. Yeah, when you put oil in the pan, you don't need it to be too much, just enough to kind of glaze the bottom. This is what I do with my rice. I mean, this is how I cook my rice. I know there's 100 different ways to cook rice, and to me, there's no right or wrong. I've eaten all types of rice. I've even eaten steamed rice, which was weird at first, but it was actually not that bad. They could have used a little seasoning on it, but it's the way they like it, so it was still good. I'm not naming anyone who made that. I'm just saying. So usually I'm just gonna, since I'm not making a lot, this is just basically for me and my wife. A little over 2 cups of rice. It's probably gonna be a lot, but that's what we're gonna do. That should be good enough. Alrighty, looking pretty good. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. It smells so good. Oh yeah, these guys are basically ready to get mixed in there. Alright, so we're going to start throwing these guys in with the stew. Before I do that, I want to definitely cut one open, take a look at it. Let's see, let me find the biggest. Here's my biggest one is right here. He's going to get split in half. Gonna use a whole other knife for this because you don't want to use the one you used to cut anything else. Oh, perfect. It's still a little pink, like it's fully cooked. It is fully cooked. I want to give it a nice little taste test. Ooh, it is hot. Wow. Flavor, my boy. Flavor is on point. Without a doubt, flavor is amazing. Wrap one of these things around it. Throw it in there. This is looking real nice now. Yeah, boys. We cooking out here, man. Alright, so basically everything is essentially done. Green beans in here, looking pretty ready to be eaten. The stew. Oh yeah. And rice. Yeah. Alrighty, and this is our finished product. Let me not dump this. Not good at opposite camera holding, but yeah, beef stew. Yo, the meat is delicious. And some green beans and the rice just to top it off. We'll see how I did. Yeah. All right, so we got our food, and I'm kind of ready to dig in. It's looking very yummy. It's looking very good. The rice, I think, is, hold on, perfectly. I never miss with my rice. Now, like I said before, I know the way I make it is different compared to how everyone else makes it. Bro, that meat, fire. Oh, let's get some of the greens in there as well. You know what? Hit the like button if you think I should do this more often. I'm not even full, but this shit's gonna hit the spot. My stomach, happy. If my stomach had a face, it'd be smiling right now. Woo! Wash it down with some water. All right, that's it. This meal is 8.5 out of 10. But today, white rice, beef stew, some green beans on the side. It was perfect. Alrighty, but signing out now from outer heaven itself. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out. This just still recording?